Yogakshemam, September 2018. Theme: Let us meet. Let us meet, all livelihoods poverty reduction development associates of life, co-students, colleagues, co-volunteers, friends, community coordinators, livelihoods associates, project executives and project managers, young professionals, students, teachers, mentors. Can we meet on 29th September or 30th September or 1st October or 2nd October? 2nd October may be the best date at Hyderabad. Let us connect and reflect together. Let us see how we are flowing and how we want to flow. As I gather thoughts on the above, I remembered Gitanjali by Rabindranath Tagore. Some of the key thoughts there include: You have made me endless, such is your pleasure. You have breathed through the little flute in your hands, melodies eternally new. At the immortal touch of your hands, my little heart loses its limits in joy and gives birth to utterance ineffable. I forget myself and call you friend. Life of my life, your living touch is upon all my limbs. It shall be my endeavor to reveal you in my actions. I ask for a moment's indulgence to sit by thy side. The works that I have in hand I will finish afterwards. Now it is time to sit quiet, face to face with you. I live in the hope of meeting you, but this meeting is not yet. I am only waiting for love to give myself up at last into your hands. You came and sat by my side, but I woke not. Why are my nights all thus lost? Why do I ever miss your sight whose breath touches my sleep? For all the care I take, I lose sight of my true being. They try to hold me secure in this world, but it is otherwise with your love, which is greater than theirs. And you keep me free. Your love for me still waits for my love. Let only that little be left of my will whereby I may feel you on every side and come to you in everything and offer to you my love every moment. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words came out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by you into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom. Let my country awake. Give me the strength to make my love fruitful in service, and give me the strength to surrender my strength to your will with love. Ah, my sleep, precious sleep, which only waits for your touch to vanish at last. When I woke up from my slumber and opened my eyes, I saw you standing by me, flooding my sleep with your smile. This golden light that dances upon the leaves, these idle clouds sailing across the sky, this passing breeze leaving its coolness upon my forehead, the morning light has flooded my eyes. Your eyes look down on my eyes, and my heart has touched your feet. When I kiss you to make you smile, when one knows you, then alien there is none, then no door is shut. Pray I may never lose the bliss of the touch of the one in the play of many. You give yourself to me in love and then feel your own entire sweetness in me. The same stream of life that runs through my veins night and day runs through the world and dances in rhythmic measures. It is the same life that shoots in joy through the dust of the earth in numberless blades of grass and breaks into tumultuous waves of leaves and flowers. It is the same life that is rocked in the ocean cradle of birth and of death, in ebb and in flow. With the tune of you and me, all the air is vibrant, and all ages pass with the hiding and seeking of you and me. The innermost one, you awaken my being with your deep hidden touches. I feel the embrace of freedom in 1,000 bonds of delight. I was tired and sleeping in the morning. I woke up and found my garden full of wonders of flowers. All that I am, that I have, that I hope, and all my love have ever flowed towards you in depth of secrecy. One final glance from your eyes, and my life will be ever yours own. I have tasted of the hidden honey of lotus that expands on the ocean of light, and thus am I blessed. And if the end comes here, let it come, and you sit there smiling. Let all my senses spread out and touch this world at your feet. Let us be. Let us be with our innermost. Let us be with the universe. Let us love. Let us smile. Let us be simple, one with nature. Let us be deliberately useful. Let us be perpetually useful. Let us live. This is Anjali Yoga. This is flowing together. This is Gitanjali Yogam. Can we be there? Yes. If we pursue Atma Yoga, if we love life, all life, if we lead all to love all life, if we flow in the flow of love, if we are purposefully, deliberately useful, if we and inner us merge and achieve oneness, if we keep flowing, Krishna confirms all flows are unto him. Join us in the world of yoga for life towards Krishna Gita Yoga Siddhi. You will not regret it.